Tub on your bed?
Anything that you want to. You can play if you want to. You can.
But I am busy pa.
You can. You can check your hot water. You can get back on my bed. You can too have toys. No boring at all.
Yeah, I know it's not boring at all because you have lots of toys. But Yani, mommy busy.
No, it's not. Just come. Because you're so papa.
Kung manginto lang kami. What, mommy? What, mommy?
Just come because you're so guapa.
I'm so gapa.
Just come.
Later, now when mommy finish the work. Okay. I'm making supper.
No,
It's supper time.
I want cold water.
So you go get in the ref cold
No,
water.
Mom, because I'm a mommy.
What?
Because I'm a mommy.
Ay, manginto lang kasi ako. Mami. Kung makain ito.
I'm a mommy.
Oh, kiss mommy. My sweet baby. Ulog-ulugan lang ang mami. Sige na, go na. I'll give you cold water.